Hey everyone and welcome. Today we're going to review Tines SaaS. Tines is a powerful no-code automation platform made for security teams, IT operations, and other technical users. It helps you automate repetitive tasks without writing code by using a simple drag-and-drop system. Everything in Tines runs on stories, which are visual workflows made up of actions. These actions can do things like send emails, make API calls, collect data, trigger alerts, or update tickets in tools like Jira, Slack, or ServiceNow. The interface is clean and easy to follow even if you're not a programmer. You can build powerful workflows by just connecting actions together like a flowchart. Tines supports hundreds of integrations and works well with security tools, making it great for automating threat detection and response. It also supports scheduling, webhooks, and forms, so you can trigger workflows in real time or at set intervals. It includes built-in encryption and user access control, which helps keep your workflows and data secure. There's also strong error handling and retry logic, so you can trust your automations won't break easily. Collaboration is easy with the team-based permissions and shared stories. Plus, the system gives you real-time feedback so you can see what's happening in each step. Whether you're in a cybersecurity, IT, or DevOps, Tines helps you save time and reduce manual work by turning processes into smart automated flows. Now, let's how to get started. First, click on Sign Up on the Tines SaaS website. Then, enter your workflow and sign up with Google by choosing your Google account. Next, enter your name and your company name and hit the Next button. Once you reach here, click on Begin and you can start using it. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.